What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a twist of comedy. Ladies, y'all ever got a hold of a popular man and his wee-wee was little? Speaking of that, I love seeing stuck-up people from high school built like a deep freezer now. Lying for no reason as an adult is weird as fuck. Cause who you scared of? Something else I noticed. Every man swear he's so different. Unlock that phone then, ho. Ladies, y'all think that little butterfly tattoo is sexy until you turn 50. And that butterfly turn into a bat. Girls with no booties be funny as fuck. Like, you know what, flatbread? I fucks with you. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you bold as fuck if you wake up in the morning and drink coffee and you ain't got no job. You know what I noticed? We all grown and stressed the fuck out. We didn't even notice 420 was 2 days ago. I don't know which one of my men's cousins need to hear this. But listen, if you can't help her financially, at least be a babysitter or something. Speaking of babysitting, putting kids to bed be sounding like a robbery. Lay the fuck down and shut the fuck up and don't move. And if you move, I'ma pop your ass. I want to stop drinking so bad, but I realized that the owner of the liquor store got a family to feed. Last thing I want to do is let them kids be hungry. All this kidnapping is crazy. I hope they don't kidnap my boyfriend's sister that work at FedEx, second shift on Atlantic Boulevard, and get off at 10 p.m. Something else I noticed. I ain't seen the Feed the Children commercial in a while. They must be doing all right. I don't know who needs to hear this, but if I don't answer the first time, don't keep calling my phone. What if I was in the bushes hiding and you keep calling me? Ladies, twerking don't excite us no more. Bitch, can you mop? She cute, but her feet look like she valet parks for the Flintstones. You's a different kind of ugly if you still ugly after you get your hair done. Fellas, cheating is a rich man's sport. Sit the fuck down, Warehouse Willie. She will leave you. Fat niggas calling each other king. Yeah, Burger King. I just filed my own taxes today. I should be in jail by Tuesday. Something else I had noticed. We've been eating black eyed peas and cabbage for 40 years and we still broke. Speaking of peas, I hate when customers say, why they got you working on the holidays? Bro, because you in here, the fuck? You miss one day at work and your check missing $290. But work an extra day, it only add on $8. This African at my job said I wouldn't be worth 3 bananas in his village. People, this is a PSA. Stack your funds and lay low. You ain't missing shit. The new cool thing is chilling in the crib with your family and staying alive. My biggest fear is being somewhere I ain't got no business and the car won't start. I grew up watching Cheaters and First 48. I know when something ain't right. Ladies, y'all be confusing the fuck out of us. Is you with the nigga or not? BBL must stand for booty and baby legs. I don't know which one of my cousins this is for, but sleep hit different when you wash your ass first. That's why some of y'all can't sleep at night. I'm glad I ain't stuck trying to keep up with an image. I'm really me, on and off the internet. Speaking of that, social media fucked the streets up worse than crack did back in the 80s. Back in the days, if someone hated you, it mean you did something wrong. Nowadays, it mean you doing something right. Middle school beef used to be real as hell, especially when it was crew on crew. Somebody need to throw a 2000s barbecue party. I'm trying to dance to Hey Baby while eating a rib. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. You can't be stuck in your ways forever. At some point, you gotta learn life and level up. Alright, cuzzies, that was cool or whatever. Y'all know I love kicking it with y'all, but I gotta bounce. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that like, share, and subscribe button. I would love to have you as a sub. Until next time, it's your favorite cousin Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Namaste.